Straight Talk Home Internet uses Verizon's 5G network to provide wireless broadband. To set it up, you'll need their gateway device, model ST5G GW. First, check Verizon 5G coverage in your area on Straight Talk's website. Once you receive the gateway, plug it into a power outlet. Download the Straight Talk app on your smartphone. Use it to scan the QR code on the gateway, which activates the pre-installed SIM card and connects you to Verizon's network. The app's AI-assisted troubleshooting simplifies the process, aiming for a setup time of under 15 minutes. Remember, performance relies on strong 5G signal strength. After activating the gateway, access Wi-Fi settings through the Straight Talk app or by entering 192.168.1.1 in a web browser. Customize your Wi-Fi network name and password for easy identification and security. The gateway supports Wi-Fi 7 for faster speeds up to 1.5 gigabit per second and better handling of multiple devices. Set up a guest network for visitors and adjust Wi-Fi channels for optimal performance. Enable WPA3 encryption, firewalls, and parental controls for enhanced security. For slow speeds, reposition the gateway near a window or use a signal booster. For advanced users, the gateway supports port forwarding and VPN pass-through.